Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare a Canadian patent application. Begin by documenting every detail and date, draw clear diagrams, and note working models. Conduct a preliminary search to spot obvious prior art and refine your novelty. Draft clear, focused claims describing the inventive features and consult CIPO guidance. Choose provisional or full filing and track deadlines for examination requests, responses, and required fees to protect your invention. Start a thorough prior art search to identify existing patents and publications and refine your novelty claims. Use free patent databases and consider paid searches for complex fields. Decide whether to file a provisional application to secure a filing date or prepare a complete application with formal claims. Work with a patent agent if needed to draft enforceable claims and meet Canadian formalities, including translations for international plans. Quick recommendation: if you are finding this guide helpful, subscribe and like. On another note, I recommend The Simple Path to Wealth, a book that reshapes money thinking and builds long-term planning habits. It pairs well with invention work because both need patience and strategy. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a copy while you wait for examination. Now let's get back to the video. When ready, file online with the Canadian Intellectual Property Office or submit paper forms and pay required fees. Track examination requests since Canada requires requesting examination within set timeframes. Immediately respond to office actions, amend claims when necessary, and keep careful records of all correspondence. If allowed, pay issuance fees and monitor maintenance fees to keep the patent active. Consider PCT or national filings for international protection and commercialization planning.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.